Ooh. All right, so let's get started packing. I actually have decided that I'm gonna bring my full size of everything. Normally in my like little thing, I only put like travel size stuff, like, you know, little ones. But then I was thinking, I'm only going for this weekend and I'm not like going anywhere, so like I'm going somewhere, but you know what I mean? Like I don't have to fly or anything like that, so I figured just bring the full size. So that's what we're gonna do. So I had brought all my stuff from my skincare cupboard, and I like, as a trick and just like a rule of thumb, I always pack at least a day or so in advance, so that way, and I put it all in my bag ahead of time, so that way I can make sure that I'm not missing something out of my routine. Because there's nothing worse than like thinking you packed everything and then realizing you forgot your moisturizer because you didn't pack it in your bag. You know what I mean. But so I like to pack it all ahead of time and only use what's in my bag, and then if I find that I'm missing something, that's when I can put mine in the bag. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna go through everything that I'm bringing my SK2 Serum Essence, my Dr. Jart. I've been loving this stuff. It's a thick, like, think like Vaseline, but meant for your face. Last step in your skincare routine at night. It's just a seal-in kind of thing. Love that lately. My vitamin C, which I need to make sure I have. I'll have enough. Tula, vitamin C. My hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. My SPF tinted. I'm actually going to keep this. Yeah, no, it's going to stay in here. Eye cream. This happens to be a travel size because I've tried out the mini and I'm totally buying the full size of this. It's amazing. This is also, I've been just dealing with really damaged skin barrier and just really a lot of dryness, so I've been switching over to the Cicapair line, and this one is my second moisturizer. I know I'm extra, but it is what it is. This is my first moisturizer, which is the Belief Aqua Bomb. So good, super hydrating, and the other one is super moisturizing. So I always put this one on first. And then we've got two of our serums. I'm gonna go in with I'm gonna go and bring the retinol, and I'm also gonna bring the AHA and switch off either night, or actually, I think I'm just gonna bring the retinol, to be honest with you. So just the retinol. Let's thin down our process, you know. Also to that bag, I'm gonna add my ring cleaner. Need my engagement ring to be popping. My Grande Lash, and that is it, and a lip balm. I will be chemically exfoliating the night before, so I won't be bringing any physical exfoliator. I will also be bringing this little mini Boom Boom cream for my bod, and then glasses. Oh, so that is my skincare. I also love these little mesh bags. You can get them anywhere. They're like reusable produce bags. I'll keep my toothbrush in there, my dry shampoo since I don't have a mini of it, and then my perfume of choice, and then I'll probably throw like my hairbrush and things like that into here as well. All right, same thing with makeup. I just bring my bin out and I go ahead and file it away in here and see if I use it over the next little while. I also need to clean this guy. I'm actually just gonna throw a new one in here. That's in there too. Cool, so that's all that's in here now. Let's go ahead and pack it full. All right, so in this extra bag, I'm gonna pack some extra lip colors for just who knows what I'll need, but I grabbed this like bright ready orange that's in like a glossy sort of thing. And then I also love Blood Orange by Bite Beauty. It's one of my favorite pencils they ever make. I don't know if they still make it, but it's amazing. This, a good orangey red from YSL. I'm not gonna bring that guy. I'm also gonna bring this lip oil from House Labs. This is like one of my favorite glosses. It's just a clear gloss that kind of just brings some color to your lips and plumps them. But I like pairing it with like a lip pencil that I put Pillow Talk in there. So I'm gonna bring that. This is just a basic Staple Gloss, so good, Fenty Beauty. Love this from Hourglass. If I'm doing like more of a nude lip, I will do the Pillow Talk liner, Pillow Talk lipstick, which is like a dark nudie brown, topped with this Hourglass Unreal and Sublime. So, such a good combo. So, just that. All right, so that is all for my toiletries. I'm gonna now move along to planning out, actually figuring out shoes for my outfits. So I have most of my outfits that I'm bringing over here, and then I have some prepped up here. But I need to plan out shoes to go with the set outfits. So let's go ahead and do that. But we can, I plan to put these toiletry bags into my Neverfull over there instead of my suitcase, so I can use my suitcase for just shoes and clothes. Now, I still have another day before I leave, but I like to make sure everything fits into my suitcase or my packing situations before as well, so that way I'm not scrambling to try to find another solution. So we've got that at the bottom, this here, and I will still want to bring like my curling iron and things like that into this bag, so that fits perfectly in there. Okay, besides jewelry, clothes, and all those things, must have if you are going on a girls' weekend, you need the goods. So I've got Liquid IV. There's 3 of us going. Well, her sister already lives there, but she's gonna be there with us, hanging out, partying it up. So we've got Saturday, Sunday, hydration packs ready to go. Also, I forgot pimple patches. You need these because odds are if you're drinking, you're eating, and you're not sleeping very well, you're gonna get breakouts. So before I pack everything up, I wanted to just share with you some of the outfits that I'm bringing / wearing / having, just in case I want to wear. So let's start with pants and things. So I'm bringing my Everlane Cheeky jeans. These are just like a good basic staple. I'll try to link everything down below if I can, in case you're curious. But these are just a good staple basic pair of like ripped jeans that you can wear with heels, or you can wear super casual. So I brought those. I brought these shorts. They're like the cross waist black denim. They're just like a really comfortable pair of shorts for casual. I don't know everything we're gonna do, so I wanted options. I brought these Zara jeans. These are the slim flared. They have the opening down at the bottom. I just washed these. These are super cute. You can wear these out, like with heels. My must-have pair of shorts, my Abercrombie like long line or longer length denim short. I'll wear these probably for like brunch. And then another pair of night out jeans, potentially. I swear we're only going out one night, but I just need options, okay? These guys right here, these are the split hem from Abercrombie that are hairy because Miss Winley slept on them. So those are all the pants that I'm bringing. Yes, I know. 3 pairs of jeans, 2 pairs of shorts. Is it extra? You know it, but I was telling you, you have to have options, okay? Another thing, my little Abercrombie traveler dress, I'm bringing this because it goes with everything. I can throw this on and wear it to brunch, or I can throw it on and wear it to go grab coffee. Like I can wear it just around the house while getting ready. There's just, it's everything. So brought that for an option. I brought this little lounge set. I need to iron everything first before I put it away, but I'm also gonna bring my steamer. But this little lounge set, it has little shorts, and then I brought a little white tank. Would be cute for Sunday brunch or Sunday just drive home situation. Or again, Saturday coffee. Brought this orange button down. I can pair this so many different ways. I can pair it over the top of this dress, this Abercrombie dress, or I can wear it just plain with jeans, unbuttoned a little bit with some heels. So cute. So brought that. So many different ways I can wear that. Another little lounge set. I have my Skims dupe from Amazon, the top and the bottoms with a little hoodie. This will be cute for just like kicking around Friday night. pajama-y thing. And then I also brought this set of pajamas. That's my favorite from Target. A little satin set there. Then I brought this little black turtleneck tank thing. It's not supposed to be super warm, so I thought this would be cute. It's got the shoulder pad so that it goes really well if I want an all black moment with these black jeans. It's kind of give it, you know, I don't know, and then with like a pop of a fun bag, getting the vision, it'll be cute. So brought that just in case. And then also just like a plain black tank. When I just like, let's say tomorrow night, I just like am not feeling super cute. Black tank and jeans, you can never go wrong with. That one's from Zara and it's got the square neck, which is super cute. Also, same thing with this Abercrombie bodysuit, notch front brown. Brown's super cute. I know. Do I need all of this? No, I'm literally going for 2 days. Okay, this white bodysuit, again, so classic, just really, really good quality boat neck top. Thought it would be nice to have this. This would be probably a potential for a going out outfit. This is a corset top that I got from Cider. It is like a satiny navy. I need to steam that. But that with like the Everlane jeans and some nude heels could be a look. The other look I was thinking is this white little chiffon skirt. It's kind of a mini skirt with a satin top over the top. I have the green one and I have the navy one. I don't know which one I would wear, but it also looks super cute with this orange. So we'll see which one I'm feeling with that. But I'm thinking that's probably going to be my outfit. But if I'm not feeling a skirt, then I want to have other options. Just a basic blouse, white button-down blouse. This is just, again, who knows? You just need it. Don't know what you're going to be feeling like. And the worst thing is also when you're going with like a bunch of other girls, you like feed off of like what they're wearing as well. I don't know. It's been a hot minute since I've gone anywhere, so if you can't tell. A basic graphic sweatshirt. I thought this would be nice with potentially these little shorts tucked in. If it's chilly, throw over a denim jacket, and that's a cute little look. And then also with the shorts, like the regular Abercrombie shorts, throw on this sweater and then throw this over the like shoulders for a cute sort of look, or wear them by themselves or throw them with a denim jacket. Good to go. I'm gonna be bringing my Converse, some heels, some different fun bags. Oh, for loungewear also, a basic graphic tee, a nice little bralette, a pair of long navy joggers, and then a pair of black shorts. Again, I like options, and I always feel like when I pack, I always leave out the comfy cozies, and I wish I had comfy cozies when we're just like chilling around the house waiting for the next thing that we're gonna do, because I don't want to sit around in things. I got this bag from Zara the other day, which is so cute. I'm wearing all black, and you wear this, like it's like a statement, but it also is like so bold. I don't know. I love it though. Also debating if I want to bring like a blazer, because I don't think I'll need it. But we'll see if it fits. For shoes, black little strappies for if I wear these black pants. And then if I wear literally anything else, these nude strappy situations are gonna be it. Bringing my white Converse for sure. And then potentially wearing these sneakers with my Friday outfit, because we're just going to a brewery, so it's gonna be pretty casual. And then of course bringing my bum bag in case, like I said, we're running out of the house quick. Coffee, because I will need coffee tomorrow morning. And then in my jewelry, I just have a couple little basic accessories, nothing crazy, but I'm gonna bring that and a bunch of fun sunglasses. In this little mesh bag, I have my curling iron, a satin scrunchie, I have my toothbrush, my dry shampoo, and my texture spray, and my hairbrush, and my perfume. I have my toiletry bags and my makeup bag, and that's it. And this will also keep my blanket in it for sleepover. And that's it. Let's go ahead, put it all in the suitcase, and pray that it fits.